unlimited English classes. The Acquire English Club. Go to aenglish.club. Talk to you soon. Acquire phrasal verbs. In this lesson, we're going to have a look at the phrasal verb put away. We use put away to mean to clean up or to place out of the way. The boy put away his toy when he was done playing. Her sister helped her put away all of her clothes when she got back from vacation. Put away can also mean to store in order to use later. It's getting hot out, so I put away all of my winter clothes. I want to take a trip, so I'm putting away a little money each month. Put away can also mean to eat, especially in large quantities. Sean often overeats. Yesterday he put away 3 pizzas by himself. My girlfriend is tiny, but she can put away a lot of sushi. Give it a go. Try to make a sentence using put away and leave it in the comments below. Do you want to practice speaking English? Join the Acquire English Club. Learn from and chat with native English teachers. Practice your English with learners from all over the world. The Acquire English Club. Go to aenglish.club. Talk to you soon.